Hello friends, today we are thrifting for some goodies. I'm really hoping to find some teapots for this project, so let's hope that we can find that inside. And if you guys enjoy thrifting adventures, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and let's go inside and see what we can find. Coffee pot. Don't need that. So far, nothing on this aisle. So I've got a couple interesting pieces right here, but this one looks a little summery. Then we also have this interesting piece, $2, and it's 50% off today. But I don't really know how this goes. So I'm gonna figure that out. But I don't like to not use the lid, so I'm gonna leave this for someone that might want that just as it is. I think we might have a very clear winner right here, $4.95, and it's 15% off because it's got an orange tag. This one's so cute. Here's a good one, but it's got a cutie little lid that I don't want to separate it from. Such pretty dishes. That one's cute. I know, but it's like, it's kind of like another pitcher versus a tea pot, but it is very pretty. Very pretty. Love those. Look at that. It's kind of hard to see right here because the sun's coming in, but I think I found another winner, and I love how wide this top is. Plus it has no lid that I'm going to be separating it from. No lid, $4.95, and then I'm sure the yellow means it'll be some money off, so I think we have a winner. So I did figure this one out, and as you guys can see, I decided to get it because it is a planter, and this was $2, but what was really great is orange was 50% off, so I was able to get this for 50% off. And then this just slides right on top here. It even already has a drainage hole, so we are definitely going to be using this cutie. And this one I got from a different thrift store called Fur Kids, and this was $4.95, and I think the yellow tag was 15 or 30% off. I always forget, I'm sorry about that, but it had no lid as it specified, and that was fine with me because I prefer not to separate the two, especially when I know I'm going to be using them as planters. So this was just so cute. If you can really see that beautiful coloring it has on it, and it has this really nice wide space here, perfect for a plant. This gorgeous pitcher, how fitting for the season. And I don't know if I'm going to be putting a plant in this one because I actually have something else in mind for this, but this was $4.95 with the orange sticker, and that also had some percentage off. And then this last one here was from Goodwill, and this was $2, and this is just perfect because also no lid, and I do believe we're going to be putting a plant in this lovely one. We have our pansies ready to plant. I am going to also be using some rocks and gravel and a little bit of charcoal for my pots that do not have holes. This can help pots with no drainage holes be able to really hold on to a lot of the nutrients and moisture that the plants need versus it just sitting at the bottom. And Thankfully, that water will evaporate and a lot of it goes to the plant. So as with any gardening, you just need to watch your plants, take care of them, and keep a close eye. And that way you don't overwater them. And if they're looking like they need some more space, you can go ahead and give them that. Lastly, make sure you don't have any pockets of air, so just take some extra soil and push it down into those spaces and really give your plant all the comfort that it needs. We are about to see what all of these look like complete, so please comment down below which one was your favorite. Since this one does not have any drainage holes, we are going to be using a tried and true method for putting plants into things without drainage holes because yes, it can be accomplished. You do just have to be extra careful to not overwater it. And after this teapot is complete, we have one more transformation left, and then be sure to stay to the end because you're going to see the magical project that we have in store for our gorgeous pitcher with the pumpkin on it. And here is our gorgeous pitcher hung by a shepherd's hook with some special touches inside, a set of twinkle lights, making this so magical and fun. I've seen this all over home and garden pages, and I am so excited to finally have it in my own garden. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.